All right. Hello there. I'm Muhammad Ardhan Anugrah, and now I'm going to show you how to analyzing the data of student reading comprehension test that consists of 69 scores, and we're going to using descriptive statistics doing the measure of central tendency, which is describing the central position of a frequency distribution for a group data, which including mean, median, and mode. And the next one is measure of variability. This ways of summarizing a group of data by describing how spread out the scores are, including range, interquartile, variance, and standard deviation. And the last, we are going to draw the polygon. And okay, let's get into the tutorial. The first is I have the raw data here, and we're going to uh, arrange them with smallest to largest. With sort and filter. After that, we're going to copy and move to the column B and move to the data and then remove duplicates. After that, we are get the represent from each scores and then move it into the column scores. All right, after that, we're going to search for the frequency, which is counted, buka kurung, and then semicolon, and all, and then block all the column A and the first score, and then enter, and then drag it down for fast calculation. All right, after that, we're going to search for X multiple F, which is score multiple F, and drag it down again. After that, we're going to search for mean, which is equal amount of the day. Oh, we need to summarize first. Summarize sum, and then amount of the data, and then enter. Okay, and for the mean, equal amount of the data divided by amount of the data, or summarize of the data divided by amount of the data. Okay, for the median is, we are going to search for the position first, which is amount of the data plus 1 and divided by 2. Sorry. Nah. And we're going to search for the number 35, which is 80, is the median. And for the mode, we're going to find out the most appearance in this data, which is 76, 80, and 88. And after that, we are going to prove it by the Excel formula, which is for the mean is average and all the data. And then median is median, median, and all the data, amounts of the data. Enter. And then for the mode is also mode amount of the data. Because there are three modes, so we use mode multi. Okay. After that, we're going to search for x min, which is equal scores and then min. And then put the dollar sign between the L. Okay, after that, drag it down. Okay. And then after that, we're going to x min square, which is the x min multiplied by x min. Enter, and then drag it down. Sorry. Okay. After that, we're going to search fx min, which is equal frequency minus, I mean the slash. Multiple first and x min and enter and drag it down. Okay, after that, we're going to summarize all the data by here. And then enter and then drag it down to this column. Okay, after that, we're going to search for range, which is the largest data minus the lowest data. And then for variance is fx min, sum of fx min divided by minus by 68, which is the amount of the data minus 1. Okay, for this standard deviation is SQRT and variance, nominal of variance. And for position of quartile one, which is amount of the data, plus 1 divided by 2. Divided by 4, sorry. And this is 70.5, which is we need to add the scores number 17 and 18. 68 plus 68 divided by 2. Okay. And then the quartile 2, which is amount of the data plus 1 and divided by 2. Enter. And then this is same as the median 80. And for the quartile 3 is amount of the data plus 1 multiple 3/4. Enter, which is 52.5. We need to again plus the the scores of 52 and 53, and then divided by 2. And for the interquartile, we need to minus the quartile 3 the scores of quartile 3 and quartile 1 and enter. And we need to check here uh, using the Excel bar and all the data and enter. Right, for the standard deviation, we're going to calculate again equal SQRT as and then variance and then enter. All right, let's prove it. ST equal ST depth and then A1 and then enter. All right. And for the quartile equals quartile x. One. Oh, no, sorry. And then semicolon and then one and enter. All right. Do the same. War one. Two. And then the last quartile. War one. So A 3. Okay. And then QR minus enter. Okay. And the last one, we're going to draw the polygon, which is table scores and frequency. Okay. And then insert and recommended charts and select the dots one. Okay. And then that's all for the tutorial. I hope this helped for measuring the scores of reading tests the English students.